How to clear your Google Chrome's history. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to easily delete and clear out your Google Chrome's history. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously head over to your Google Chrome. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to hit the like button on this video and don't forget to press that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Alright, so once your Google Chrome is open, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And from here, you will have an option to look at your history and delete your browsing data. So you can just tap on it, or you can just head over to your settings if you don't see that option. And from here, you just want to head back and tap on delete browsing data. So once you do this, you will see different options like you can choose the duration. So if you tap on this drop down, you will see last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks. So let's say if I want to delete my browsing data from the last 7 days, I'm going to choose this one. And then if I tap on more options, I have different options to select my browsing history, cookies and site data, cache emails, images and files, autofill form, site settings, and saved password as well. So I'm going to set this to last 7 days and then tap on delete data. So it will clear out all of my data from the last 7 days and then I should be good to go. So that's how you easily delete your Google Chrome's history. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.